Welcome everyone. Myself, Samyak Jain, and I am a volunteering intern at YEF Youth Empowerment Foundation. So, today I am going to be talking about social infrastructure of our Indian economy. So, let's start. So, first of all, before going deep into the social infrastructure, first we have to see what includes in our social infrastructure. So, it includes education, health, environment, civic amenities, etc. Social infrastructure is one which contributes to economic processes indirectly and from outside the system of production and distribution by improving the quality of human resource. Examples of social infrastructure are our schools, colleges, hospitals, our houses, etc. So, what is the importance of social infrastructure? So, the whole working of any economy depends on the expansion of its infrastructure. Infrastructure works as a base of an economy. Public utilities like water, sanitation, education, etc., are very important for this infrastructure. So the development of an economy is determined by the infrastructure facilities available, and to accelerate our economic development, we must improve and strengthen the infrastructural facilities. Now let's see what are the examples of social infrastructure. So the number one and the most important feature is education. Now, education is universally recognized as a central component of possession of skills, knowledge, and experience by an individual. The education acts as a contributor to the economic growth. It modifies our behavior, it enlarges mental horizon of the people. Education modernizes the behavior of people, it produces skills and trains the individual so that they can affect the social infrastructure in a good way. Now, if there is education, so there also will be some problems related to education. So, there are some problems related to educational development. So, the number one problem is considerable disparities in educational standard among different regions persist. Number two, technical and professional education is very expensive. It is beyond the reach of pure students. Number third, illiteracy rate among the adults continues to be high in most states. Number 4, modern research is very expensive. So, if there are the problems, then we must find the methods to improve such problems. So, here are the ways by which we can improve the education system. Number 1, skill based learning. So, this feature will identify the strength of an individual so that they can be given an appropriate training in the chosen field, which will automatically improve their efficiency. Number second, rural education. Now, this is the most important part which is needed to be taken care of. So, a sad thing about the Indian education system is that it focuses only on urban clusters. If a country has to be developed, urban and rural development should go hand in hand. Number third, and also one of the most important thing, is to educate parents. In Indian scenario, parents decide or force a student to opt a particular career, which results in their inefficiency, so the students don't excel to their goals. Now, to prevent this thing, a step must be taken to educate parents about different careers options and their scopes. They must be given a proper introduction regarding to all the fields and careers their children might be going to and their scopes so that they can be clear and let their children choose whatever they want. Now, number second feature of a social infrastructure is health. Now, health is a factor which indirectly supports the economic development. As we know that for the progress of a nation, its citizen must be physically as well as mentally stable. Thus, our healthcare services play a vital role in any economy. Increased access to quality healthcare services has been one of the most important and thrust areas of social development. Now, better health services help indirectly economic development by supplying active, energetic, and healthy working force which activates the production processes. Now, Here's some progress of health development which has led to the thrust of social infrastructure. Number 1, effective implementation of ideas for control of communicable disease. Number 2, creation of a structure of healthcare institutions in rural areas. Number 3, creating and implementing large increase in health facilities. Number 4, expansion and reorientation of medical education and research in India. Number 5th, large increase in medical and paramedical personnel. And lastly, effective implementation of family welfare program to reduce birth rates. Now, the last feature of our social infrastructure is civic amenities. Now, in addition to education, health, etc., the people of a country require certain other facilities. Now, these facilities are civic amenities. Now, these facilities may be regarding of water supply, sanitation, sewage and drainage system, etc. Cleanliness keeps our surrounding clean and fresh. Civic amenities are not directly related to production but affect the productivity of a working force. The absence of civic amenities reduces efficiency of laborers or individuals, thus the production suffers. So we have to take care of these facilities for a proper and a working social infrastructure. Now, at last, to sum up, so in order for a proper social infrastructure, education, health, and civic amenities are must. Thank you.